Many experts say a plant-based diet can help your kidneys, but not all plant foods are good for them, especially if you have kidney problems. Some plant-based foods can even be harmful. Reducing these foods can help protect your kidneys. Watch this video to find out which 6 plant-based foods you should avoid for better kidney health. Seed oils are plant-based oils made from seeds, such as rice bran, canola, corn, cottonseed, grapeseed, soybean, sunflower, safflower, and peanut oils. These oils are often promoted for their healthy fats and nutrients. However, they are heavily processed through bleaching, refining, and heating, which can strip away essential nutrients like antioxidants and sometimes create harmful compounds like trans fats. Trans fats are particularly bad for your kidneys and overall health. Another issue with seed oils is their high omega-6 fatty acid content, which can lead to inflammation in the body. Inflammation is linked to many health problems, including kidney disease, heart disease, and diabetes. While omega-6 fatty acids are needed in small amounts, too much, common in Western diets, can upset the balance with omega-3 fatty acids and cause kidney damage. Fats can be either unsaturated or saturated. Unsaturated fats, like those in olive oil, are healthier and can improve heart and cholesterol health. Saturated fats, found in animal products and some plants like coconut oil, should be limited. To reduce the negative effects of seed oils, replace them with healthier, unrefined oils like extra virgin olive oil. These oils are extracted without high heat or chemicals, keeping more natural nutrients and flavors, which support better kidney health. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Canned soups and vegetables are popular because they're affordable and easy to use. However, they often contain high levels of sodium to help preserve them, which can be harmful to people with kidney disease. When kidneys aren't working well, they can't filter out excess sodium, leading to a buildup in the blood. This can raise blood pressure and put extra pressure on the kidneys. Additionally, canned foods may have added sugars or chemical additives, which can be harmful. If you have kidney disease, it's best to avoid or limit canned foods, including canned vegetables. Instead, try fresh or low-sodium alternatives. If you're enjoying this video, please drop a like, and we'll keep creating helpful content like this. Ketchup is made from tomatoes, which are high in potassium. For people with kidney problems, too much potassium can be harmful. Ketchup also contains added sugar and sodium, which can raise blood pressure and put extra strain on the kidneys. Just 1 tablespoon of ketchup can have 180 milligrams of sodium and 4 grams of sugar. To make it healthier, look for ketchup options that are low in sodium and sugar, especially ones without high fructose corn syrup. The sugar in ketchup can contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance, making kidney function worse. Additionally, ketchup has a lot of phosphorus, which can be hard for damaged kidneys to filter out. It's also a good idea to avoid other store-bought condiments like salad dressing, BBQ sauce, and soy sauce, as they often contain high amounts of sodium, sugar, or chemicals. Pre-packaged vegan and vegetarian frozen meals often contain high levels of salt, potassium, and phosphorus, which can be harmful to people with kidney disease. Salt and preservatives are added to improve flavor and shelf life, but too much salt can raise blood pressure and strain the kidneys. High potassium levels can also be problematic for those with kidney issues because the kidneys struggle to regulate potassium properly. Although plant-based diets can be helpful for kidney disease, as the potassium in fresh plants is paired with fiber that prevents too much absorption, it's important to discuss the right plant-based diet with your dietitian. Processed frozen foods also often contain additives with phosphorus, which can raise phosphorus levels in the blood, leading to bone and heart problems for those with kidney disease. For this reason, frozen meals are not the best choice for kidney health, especially when eaten regularly. To make frozen meals less harmful, choose those with lower sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. This means reading labels carefully and picking products with fewer processed ingredients. A healthier option is to prepare homemade meals using fresh, whole food ingredients. You can cook large batches of kidney-friendly vegetarian or vegan dishes and freeze individual portions for later. While cocoa has antioxidants and flavonoids that can support blood vessel health, chocolate bars should be eaten carefully. They are high in saturated fats and added sugar, which can contribute to high blood sugar, high blood pressure, and weight gain, common triggers for kidney disease. Chocolate bars and energy bars are also classified as ultra-processed foods, which are linked to a higher risk of chronic kidney disease and worse complications in chronic kidney disease patients. Ultra-processed foods are usually high in calories, low in nutrition, and contain additives that may harm kidney health. Energy bars, often eaten to replenish electrolytes after exercise, can be especially harmful. Like energy drinks, they contain high amounts of sugar for a quick energy boost. The mix of sugar and other additives in energy bars can create conditions that strain the kidneys over time, speeding up kidney damage. To protect your kidneys, it's best to limit processed chocolate and energy bars. Instead, consider fresh fruits and other healthier alternatives. Instant noodles are popular for their convenience, long shelf life, and low cost, but they are often unhealthy. They are high in sodium, carbohydrates, and trans fats, while lacking essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. A 2017 study of college students in Seoul found that frequent consumption of instant noodles was linked to higher blood triglycerides, blood sugar, and blood pressure, conditions that can lead to kidney disease. Instant noodles are an example of ultra-processed foods, which can harm kidney function. Ultra-processed foods are often high in calories, refined carbs, sugar, salt, and chemical additives, and low in fiber and essential nutrients. In Korea, a study showed that people who ate the most UPFs had a higher prevalence of chronic kidney disease. For every 6.6% increase in UPF consumption, the risk of chronic kidney disease increased by 6%. This may be due to harmful ingredients like hydrogenated oils and additives that cause inflammation and oxidative stress. Instant noodles also contain high levels of phosphorus, which can raise phosphorus levels in the blood. Elevated phosphorus is linked to increased risk of heart disease and death. Researchers are working to create healthier versions of instant noodles, such as using seaweed powder and local ingredients to improve their nutritional value. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. If you have any questions or experiences with plant-based diets and kidney health, feel free to share them in the comments below. And as always, take care of your body, make informed choices, and stay healthy.